Window installation in Knoxville is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetics. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, Knoxville residents can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort. Double-pane windows Knoxville are particularly popular for their insulating properties, keeping homes warm in winter and cool in summer, especially when paired with patio doors Knoxville. For those seeking custom windows Knoxville, a variety of styles and designs are available to match any architectural preference. Custom windows not only improve the look of your home but also add value. Knoxville Window Replacement Services offer a wide range of options, including vinyl windows Knoxville, known for their durability and low maintenance, along with stylish patio doors Knoxville. Patio doors Knoxville are a fantastic addition to any home, providing easy access to outdoor spaces while enhancing natural light. Sliding glass doors Knoxville and French doors Knoxville are popular choices for their elegance and functionality. Patio door installation in Knoxville ensures a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living areas, making patio doors Knoxville a smart investment. Window installation Knoxville is essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. Whether it's window frame installation Knoxville or window glass replacement Knoxville, professional services ensure your windows remain in top condition. Knoxville window installation experts can address issues like broken seals, cracked glass, and damaged frames, while also installing patio doors Knoxville. Storm windows Knoxville offer additional protection against harsh weather conditions, making them a wise investment for homeowners in the area. Insulated windows Knoxville provide an extra layer of defense against temperature fluctuations, contributing to a more comfortable living environment. Knoxville window sealing and window caulking Knoxville are vital for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency, just like properly installed patio doors Knoxville. Window maintenance Knoxville is key to prolonging the lifespan of your windows. Regular cleaning, inspection, and installations can prevent costly replacements. Knoxville window upgrades, such as window tinting Knoxville and window hardware Knoxville, can enhance both the functionality and appearance of your windows and patio doors Knoxville. Window screens Knoxville are essential for keeping insects out while allowing fresh air in. They are available in various materials and styles to suit different needs. Window tinting Knoxville offers privacy and UV protection, making it a popular choice for homeowners looking to protect their interiors from sun damage, especially around patio doors Knoxville. Window styles Knoxville vary widely, from traditional to contemporary designs. Choosing the right window style can significantly impact your home's curb appeal. Window measurements Knoxville are crucial for ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. Professional window consultation Knoxville services can help you select the best options for your home, including patio doors Knoxville. Window safety Knoxville is a top priority for families, with features like child-proof locks and tempered glass available to enhance security. Window aesthetics Knoxville play a significant role in the overall look of your home, with options to match any design preference. Whether you're interested in window upgrades Knoxville or new installations, patio doors Knoxville can complete your exterior improvement plans. In conclusion, Knoxville Window Installation and Installation Services offer a comprehensive range of solutions for homeowners. From energy-efficient windows Knoxville to custom designs, there's something for everyone. With the right choices, including patio doors Knoxville, you can improve your home's comfort, value, and appearance. Looking for top-notch window installation in Knoxville? Our expert team specializes in energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and custom windows Knoxville residents trust. Whether you need window installation or window glass replacement, we provide comprehensive services to meet all your needs. Our vinyl windows Knoxville selection offers durability and style, perfectly complemented by patio doors Knoxville. Enhance your home with our patio doors Knoxville options, including sliding glass doors and French doors Knoxville homeowners love. Our patio door installation ensures a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. For those seeking storm windows, Knoxville residents can rely on our insulated windows and window sealing services to protect against harsh weather, alongside Patio Doors Knoxville. Our window frame installation Knoxville services ensure your windows remain sturdy and functional. We also offer window caulking Knoxville to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Regular Knoxville window maintenance and window upgrades can significantly enhance your home's value and comfort, especially when paired with Patio Doors Knoxville. Explore our wide range of window styles and window measurements Knoxville options to find the perfect fit for your home. Our window consultation services provide personalized advice to help you choose the best solutions. Prioritize window safety Knoxville with our advanced window hardware and window screens, as well as secure Patio Doors Knoxville. For those interested in aesthetics, our window tinting Knoxville services add a touch of elegance while reducing glare and UV exposure. Our Knoxville window styles cater to diverse tastes, ensuring you find the perfect match for your home. Trust us for all your Knoxville window replacement needs, including expertly installed Patio Doors Knoxville, and experience the difference in quality and service.